Zacks Rank Buys, stocks with a short-term buy or strong buy recommendation. Now, here are more Zacks Rank Buys. Each stock within the Zacks Rank Buy universe is chosen based on how well it matches criteria comprising the four main investing styles. In case you don't know them, we will recap them for you here. They're aggressive growth, growth in income, momentum, and value. Today we talk about some growth and income stocks. Always fun to do that with Alex Kolb. Alex is our growth and income stock analyst at Zacks.com, and you've brought a batch here that leads with CASY and General Stores Incorporated, CASY, the ticker symbol. Now, I live in a rural area, so I'm real familiar with these businesses.
Yeah, they're popular in the Midwest. Places like Indiana, Missouri, Illinois, they have these convenience stores. That's essentially what they are. Mm-hmm. This one is a little smaller than some of the companies I usually cover, but I saw a great growth and income story here, so I definitely picked it up. On the growth side, they recently reported a record fiscal first quarter, had earnings of 59 cents per share. That was 18% ahead of the consensus estimate, and they do have a good track record of beating analyst estimates. Sales were up as well, up 16.8% on a year-over-year basis, also growth there, obviously. And there's a good income here, a good yield, I should say. Yield of 1%. In its industry, that's solid. This is it's the company's industry peers do not offer very much in the way of income.
Interesting. And then you're talking also about Peabody Energy, the world's largest private sector coal company. I didn't know that.
Yes.
BTU is the ticker symbol.
That's correct. Yeah, coal companies are still a good place to be, especially if you want to diversify over different areas and include energy in your diversification. Mm-hmm. The company is seeing analysts increase earnings estimates. It has the current full year estimate by Wall Street is at $287 per share. This is for the 2008 full year. And that's above the 1 month ago level of $270. I take that back. The $270 was 2 months ago. So earning estimates are going up, and this is on also a record quarter. This is the company reported its second quarter results, and they had record results. Things like income from continuing operations increased 143% on a year-over-year basis.
All right, Fluor Corporation is another company that's in this batch of growth and income stocks. Where's the growth? Where's the income?
All right, engineering and construction company here. Again, fundamental growth. Net earnings jumped 119% on a year-over-year basis. This is for the second quarter. And like the previous companies I discussed, there were record results in this company's second quarter as well. Net earnings were one of them. And the company also increased its guidance on its strong report, and analysts followed suit. 2 months ago, earnings estimates for the full year stood at $3.28 per share. Currently, Wall Street hiked it up to $3.58.
And then finally, McDonalds Corporation, MCD, the ticker symbol. They seem to be holding up fairly well, at least in the sales department, during this little bit of an economic downturn.
You're right. I agree. I think in sales and overall, the McDonald's I think it's just been a great story. It's definitely growth and income stalwart, if you will. It often comes up on my growth and income screen. I say often, really all the time. And it recently, last week, reported its worldwide sales increased 8.5% for the month of August. On that report, the share price jumped a little, and since then, and even really prior to then, McDonald's share price has been trading around a 52-week high. And as you said, considering the market that we're in right now, this is really a solid company.
Any dividend there?
Yeah, there is a dividend from McDonald's as well. Its annual dividend is $1.50 for the year. That translates into a yield of 2.3. And as the case is with many of these companies that I cover, its industry is not very big on paying out a dividend. So 2.3% is great.
Yeah, especially in these economic times.
Again, yes, you're right.
Do you or does anyone in your house own any of these stocks?
No.
All right. Earnings estimate revisions are the most powerful force impacting stock prices. The Zacks rank takes advantage of changes within those estimates to help investors become more profitable. Each day on Zacks.com, Zacks rank buy stocks for the various investment strategies are spotlighted. And you can read about these stocks that Alex has talked about here in this video by linking to them on our homepage, Zacks.com. Just go to the section in the upper right-hand corner of the website, and it's right there. With Alex Kolb, I'm Terry Ruffalo.